We just got to Miami and we're at the Hotel Gabriel Downtown Miami, and look at this room. I mean, it is huge, huge bed, lots of space.
Yes.
Wait till you see our view. Go check out the view. All right, so we looked online for an affordable pre-cruise hotel here in Miami, and we found the Hotel Gabriel Downtown.
Yep. It actually has really fancy wooden keys to even get in, but it's through Hilton. We're staying in 704. There too. Come in.
It's a very spacious room.
For starters, when you come in, this is your closet area. There's no doors, but it still has a couple of drawers and your hangers, your ironing board. All of the lights in here too have these fancy switches and dimmers on them. It's very modern in here. Here's the bathroom. The bathroom's very spacious. The shower is enormous in here.
Look how big this shower is. There's 2 shower heads.
It's actually got 2 per thing, so there's really 4 shower heads in there.
Yeah, that's a
massive shower.
Awesome vanity.
Yes, yep, it's got nice, and then this side has your toilet, which even the shape of the toilet, it's got a rectangle modern toilet to it. There's an enormous mirror in here.
Huge mirror.
Yes.
Huge mirror.
And then it leads you into the bedroom.
Yeah, look how open this is. I mean, it's massive, big, huge, king-size bed.
Yep, platform bed.
Lots of room in here, very spacious.
Smart TV. I like that they even had books in here that you could read. Like, I feel like this is an extra touch you don't see.
Yeah.
You know?
This would definitely be like a suite anywhere else. Like,
yeah.
I mean, look at all the floor space in here.
Yes, this is very oversized. Has a mini bar, all sorts of snacks and beverages. There's even down in the
coffee maker.
Down in the cooler, there's other options too.
You name it.
Yeah. And then out on our balcony, we've got a cool view of Miami.
Yeah, look at this. Step right out on this massive balcony.
Yes.
And then right across the street is the cruise port.
Yeah, which is great. You can watch the cruise ships here. You can watch the Metro mover.
That's where all the cruise ships line up, right there. Great view of downtown. Awesome views.
Yeah. With so much to offer, including rooftop pools and a fitness center, be sure to book the Gabriel Downtown location, as you'll find a second Gabriel Hotel property close by in Miami Beach.
So if you're looking for an affordable, free cruise Miami hotel, this is the one right here, the Gabriel Miami Downtown.